Hello SCA students, and welcome to the online Zoom tutorial for all of your tutoring sessions. So I just wanted to go over how you will be conducting your sessions online using the Zoom. Even though I'm a host right now for this one, you're going to be able to see what kind of tools you can use while you're in your sessions when the tutor needs you to access them. So at the very bottom, when you hover, you're going to see on my screen you have different options down here. You have the unmute. I'm going to keep myself on mute because you can hear me through the audio and it kind of gets jumbled right now. But if at any time you need to mute or unmute yourself, you're just going to go ahead and click this little microphone at the bottom. If at any point you need to stop your video, if you want to come offline, if I click this button, you're just going to see a little M pop up on your screen. This can be for either me or yourself, but your name should pop up. If I want to put the video back on, I just click that again and I'm back on. Sharing the screen is one of the big ones that we're going to be using with you guys. So when we go to share screen, you can click on this bottom part right here. This is going to show you different ways that you can share your information with us. One of the ways that we do it is using the whiteboard. So if I go ahead and click this whiteboard, I'm going to go ahead and click share. You can do this on your end as well. So I'm going to go ahead and expand that. And you can do different things with your whiteboard. So you can go ahead, you can type in some text. You can type in certain words, you can type in certain phrases. If you're doing some writing, you can write out your things using the text box that are provided. You can also draw out certain things. If you want to draw out certain shapes, you can. You can draw out shapes, you can draw out numbers if you want to. You can do a whole bunch of stuff with the drawing method on the whiteboard. The other thing you can do too is put on stamps. So say if you're confused about a question, you can put stamps on the whiteboard. If you have something that is correct, you can click the little check mark. You can use the stamps for a whole bunch of different things. So you have an arrow, check mark, an X mark, a star, a heart, and a question mark. You have the eraser. If you've drawn anything, say again, we're going to draw like a drawing. So I drew a star. I don't like how that looks. So I'm going to go ahead and take the eraser and I'm going to go ahead and erase what I just did. Okay. So there are a few things you can do here on the whiteboard. If at any time you want to clear out what you have, you can clear all my drawings and then you can do that as well. Okay. You can also save the work that you've done if you'd like to. You can save it onto your computer. Or you can make a selection and select certain things as well if you click select. Okay, so this is the whiteboard. I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing. The other thing that we can also do too is we can do the chat. So what's nice about this is you can also upload different files, or your tutor can upload files for you to access. So say for example, I wanted to upload a file for you guys. So down here, or if you wanted to do it as well, you can click on the little file button down here. Let's go into Google Drive and I'm going to show you a file that we can use. You can use what's on your computer or you can use what's still on the drive. So you can go ahead and click connect to Google Drive. I'm just going to go ahead and log in really quick for you guys. So I'm already connected. So let's say if I have a resource for you guys and I want to use that resource. Let's say we're doing some grammar. We're going to work on some contractions. So I can choose to upload this file to the Zoom meeting. You're going to go ahead and click allow. And then it'll be here ready for you to go. Okay, so if you want to access it, you're just going to go ahead and click on that file and it should open in a separate window on your browser, which would be Safari or Google Chrome or Microsoft Explorer. So here you can now see and have access to what I went ahead and uploaded. You can do this by taking pictures of your work and uploading it to here for the tutors to see, or you can save it on your computer as well. I think for most of you guys, I think the whiteboard is going to be your best option. So we can see exactly what you guys are writing and what you guys are doing, and we can follow along with you to make sure that you're doing your problems correctly. Okay? If you guys have any other questions, you can always ask during the meeting, but this is what your end will look like as well as mine. Okay? I look forward to seeing you guys soon as well as the other tutors, and we wish you luck during your sessions.